Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Coinbase. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you received a gift card via Coinbase and you want to go ahead and redeem it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Coinbase account, and then once you're logged on to Coinbase, on the upper left hand corner you want to click on the hamburger icon, and then you want to click on account and settings where your name is at. After you've done so, you want to click on add a payment method. So once you click on add a payment method, you're going to see a list of different payment methods here, ranging from your bank account, debit card, PayPal, wire transfer, and gift card. Go ahead and click on gift card. Now this is where you can enter your gift card number and your PIN code, and then click on preview and then confirm. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on Coinbase. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.